This is Waves of Bliss and Path to Enlightenment Mystery School, presenting Tranquil Mind Meditation Series. This is Phase 1, Session 2, A Drop from the Ocean of Cosmic Consciousness. Hello everyone, this is Jim and welcome to Tranquil Mind Meditation Series, Phase 1, Session 2. Take a deep breath and make yourselves as comfortable as you can. Sit on the floor with legs crossed if possible. You may sit on a chair if you like. Place your feet flat on the floor with your shoes off so you can connect better with Mother Earth. Sit comfortably with your back straight. Not strained, but comfortably straight. And you may also lie down if you prefer. Focus on taking long, gentle, deep breaths through your nose. Inhaling in through your nose and exhaling also through your nose. Bring the air deep down as if it reaches to the base of your spine. Feel it oxygenate your entire body, all the tissues, the organs, the muscles, regenerating them with fresh oxygen. And as you exhale, release with your breath all the pollution and dross and stress from your body. As you are slowly breathing in and out, focus your attention on your heart and listen to the rhythm and the pulse of your heart resonate with the sound of I am. I am. I am. Feel the presence of the witness standing right behind you, quietly and diligently watching over you, repeating softly in your ear, I am. I am. I am. Now I want you to visualize that you are standing on a high rock overlooking the ocean. It is about dusk as you gaze out over the water. There is nothing but ocean in front of you as far as your eyes can see. Breathe in and out. See the ocean down below you. Feel the breeze. Feel the breeze, feel the salt air on your skin. And feel how refreshing it is. The salty air blowing across your body as you gaze out across the ocean. Now as you gaze, let your energy expand. Let yourself energetically extend out over the water. Just gently feel your energy bodies expand in the salt air above the water. And begin to feel all the stress and anxiety in your body being released to the ocean. Offer all your stress, all your pain, all your struggles to the healing waters. And feel the huge expanse of the ocean soaking up your pain and all of your dross like a sponge. Breathe and bathe, releasing all the stress. From the top of your head down to your neck, your body, your legs and feet, all offering it to the healing waters. Feel the lightness in your body. And feel how clean your energy body has become. As you gaze out across the ocean, you hear far below your feet the crashing waves. The breeze blowing across your face. Be aware you're taking long deep breaths. Be aware of your heartbeat. I am. I am. I am. Once again, look across the vast ocean. See the rolling waves. The waves gently roll up, they roll down, another takes its place in a continuous flow of wave upon wave upon wave. Each one rolls up, expressing itself as a wave for a moment, only to disappear again, becoming indistinguishable from the ocean. They are always the ocean, but sometimes also a wave. It's as if they're saying, I am the ocean. I am the ocean. But for a moment, I wish also to be a wave. And they become a wave rolling upon the surface until they recede and become one once again with the ocean. and are happy to say, I am the ocean. I am the ocean. Become aware of your breathing as you watch the waves slowly roll. Whatever stress is left in your body, being soaked up by the vast expanse of the ocean. As you look across the ocean and see the waves, you can see that once in a while a wave breaks into a white cap that splashes in the air. You can see the drops of water separate themselves from the wave and become individualized droplets. They fly through the air for a second and fall back into the water, becoming indistinguishable from the ocean once again. A drop that is always the ocean, but was also a drop. Now imagine that you are that drop. Imagine that you're riding up on the top of a wave that becomes a white cap and you are flying through the air. Now you fall back into the water to become the ocean once again. How does that feel? You are no longer a small drop, but the entirety of the ocean. What would that feel like? Become aware of your breath. And of your heart beating, I am. I am. I am. Now imagine that you actually are that drop, only you are a drop from the ocean that is cosmic consciousness. Eons of time ago, we chose to experience the universe as individualized drops from the ocean of cosmic consciousness. Somewhere along the way, we forgot that we are that ocean, and that we are only expressing ourselves temporarily as a drop from that ocean. Cosmic consciousness is our source, and a connection to the ocean of cosmic consciousness is our birthright. We only need to realize it and to seek it. The role of the witness, once we awaken to that realization, is to be the bridge to bring us back to that cosmic consciousness. Breathe and bathe and hear the I am. I am. I am. The witness is the bridge that can connect our consciousness to the ocean of cosmic consciousness. Once we make that connection and are able to maintain it, the doing becomes being. Each task then becomes the cosmic consciousness experiencing a part of itself doing the task. And once the task is complete, the outcome is only the cosmic consciousness experiencing a part of itself observing the result of the task. Both the task and its outcome are one continuous flow of being. When connected consciously to cosmic consciousness, we experience tasks, outcomes, ups and downs in this continuous flow, without expectation, without anxiety, only with the contentment of being. And we don't do this alone. Everyone we see and everything we see is just a drop from the same ocean. Become aware of your breathing as you're standing viewing the vastness of the ocean. Your heart is saying, I am, I am, I am. Know that the witness is standing behind you as your vigilant companion, reminding you that every beat of your heart is the heartbeat of the ocean, saying, I am, I am, I am. Continue to be aware of your breathing and to hear the oneness of your heartbeat and the heartbeat of the ocean of cosmic consciousness. Say through you, I am, I am, I am. Thank you and good night.